Hi everyone, how are you? In today's episode, I'm going to take up your questions and try to answer them. So let's get started. The first question, which is from the Walla GFX, and he has asked me which mic do you use. So let me tell you that I use two mics. One is this one, which is over here. This is a lavalier microphone. This is from the Boya. You can see Boya is a very good company. This microphone is very cheap, but this is a very good quality microphone, and the audio quality of this microphone is just amazing. I use it for all of my headshot videos which I film now. You can see right now I'm using this microphone only, and it comes with a very lengthy wire, so that you can plug into your camera, or you can use it with your microphone as well. And if you want to stand even farther away from your camera, then you can do that as well. So this is very good Boya microphone. Link of this is in the description section. If you want to check this out, go check this out, and I am sure that you will not regret getting this microphone. This is really amazing. You can use it even on your microphone, even on your mobile, and there is one option of switching it to the camera or to the microphone. So if you are using it mobile phone, so if you are using it with your mobile phone, you need to just, but if you are using it with the camera, just turn this on to the camera. Only for the camera it requires the battery, otherwise it works just the way it is. And it is very good in reducing the noise, because this is omnidirectional. So whatever is closer to this microphone, it captures the sound from that, and it just removes or compresses the sound or the noise around it. Though it is gives you a little bit noise, but this is really a great option if you want to use it for the interviews, for headshots, or you can even use it for the screenshot as well. And for the screenshot, I use the IRig Micro HD. This is a mic. Let me show you. You can see that this is the mic. I have put the socks over it, so that works as a puff filter, okay, over this. So this is the IRig HD microphone. This is very great microphone. This is little bit costly, and it comes around 30 to 14,000 in Indian rupees, but if you buy it from the US side, it would cost you around $100. And this mic is just amazing. As far as the noise compression, this is just the amazing microphone. Earlier I had the Blue Yeti microphone, which is the larger one. Let me show you. Earlier I was using this Blue Yeti microphone, but the problem with this Blue Yeti microphone is that though the quality or the sound quality of this microphone is just amazing, because it has three condenser in it, three condenser microphone. So that means it has one condenser, but this one has three condensers. So you can imagine the quality and the crispness of the sound from this microphone. But the only problem with this one is that it captures the sound even even from the street. So if the dogs are barking in the street, that is also captured from this microphone. So that was the problem with me using this microphone, though I used it for years. But later on I researched and found out this IRig HD microphone, and this one is just amazing. You will get a very deep and crisp sound, and the noise compression is really super amazing. Earlier I was recording a video, and at that time some barat or a wedding was going on in my street, and there was lots of band and dhol was going on, but it captured very small amount of that. So that's the magic of this microphone. I do recommend this microphone if you are serious about your videos and if you want to take them to the next level. Make sure you get at least this microphone. The only problem is with this microphone is that this doesn't have any stand, so you need to put it on the stand, whereas the Blue Yeti has the stand inbuilt. Okay, so the second thing is which is good about this microphone is that this is a USB microphone, so you can plug it into your laptop or on your PC so easily. You just put it. It doesn't need any power or the battery, so there is no option of battery or power in it, so you can just literally take it to anywhere and use it and get the amazing professional sounds. And let me tell you that the audio is a very important part of the video, because suppose if I have no sound, so let me show you, and you might have noticed that in this part you might not have heard what I was saying, and you might lose the interest if the audio is missing or the audio quality is not that good. But you can get away with the lower video quality, but as far as the audio quality is concerned, it's very important that you have the better audio quality. And I do little bit of post-processing in the Adobe Audition after recording all of my audios, so that even takes it to the next level. I'll make a tutorial on that as well, how I post-process my audios as well. So that was it. These two mics are the only two mics which I use, and if you want to check them out, I have put the link of both of these two microphones plus the Blue Yeti microphone's link in the description section below. Now let's take the second question, and the second question is from Naveen Photo, and he has asked me that kindly give the info on how to get these kind of audio files to use in video. What are the monthly free options? This is basically the question asked on my video. I won the copyright claim, and in that video I have mentioned that I use the free audios only. So there are certain sites from which I get the free audio files which I can use even for my commercial projects, and one of the website which I mentioned in that particular video was the audiojungle.net. And you might be aware that in that video there was a fake copyright claim on my one of my video, and I just filed a counter claim and I just won it. So that is why in that I have mentioned that the audio file which I used in that video was from the audiojungle.net, and that was downloaded free. Yes, that was a paid file, but I downloaded it for free. Reason being that every month the Envato Market or Envato.net, I think there is a site, and it has many sub sites, so like Graphic River and Code Canyon, audiojungle.net, and from there you can download certain files for free. So every month they offer one file for free, one audio file, one video file, one Photoshop Action, or one WordPress premium theme or premium plugin. So that is the option. You can see right now on your screen that these are the options which are available to download for free every month. So every month I do collect all of these files which I find useful, and then I keep them with me and I use them in my videos. And sometimes I use it or download it from other sites like 123rf.com. There is also a free file option, so you can download certain audio files for free and use them in your commercial projects. So there are other websites as well, like premiumbeats.com, I think, or premiumbeats.net. I am not sure whether it's .com or .net, but you can see. And there is also an option, and there are certain files which you can download, and there is one more site which is called the motionarray.com, or I think .net, I'm not sure about that. So you can download the free stuffs from there as well. So almost all of the websites, they do offer some free files every month, so download them, collect them and use them over in your videos, and never use the pirated files or pirated stuffs in your videos. So you can check them out as well. So that was the question from the Naveen Photo. I hope, Naveen, you got the answer of your question. So thank you so much. So these were your questions, and I hope you have got answer of all of your questions. But if you still have any question, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I have very few followers on Instagram, they are not increasing, so I request that if you are watching this video, please do follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram link is also in the description though, and it's on HarshVardhanArt, instagram.com/HarshVardhanArt. so if you want to follow me, please do follow it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, because on this particular channel you will get lots of useful videos to take your photography and photo editing to the next level. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.